Struggling with weight loss, you have tried everything. You've tried HCG, you've tried Mounjaro, Ozempic, fat burners, phentermine. You've tried every diet, you've hired all these trainers, you work out every single day, and you're not getting results. I hate to break it to you, you're going to continue struggling with weight loss for the rest of your life. And it's the cold hard truth that everybody here in the United States and around the world, especially the United States, is going to struggle with. Because the biggest problem is people are doing diets, people are doing programs, people are doing things just to see a number on the scale move. People are doing it for the wrong reasons. You get a quick fix. When does everybody want to lose body fat? It's during the summertime, or if you have a wedding, or you have a reunion, or you're trying to get back at your ex. You're doing it all for the wrong reasons. And the thing is too, is people all the time, they give up. You give up after one day. People are like, oh, I can't stop eating pasta. If you want to eat pasta, you can lose body fat eating pasta, bread, pastries, candy, soda, all of it. You can, but it's about actually getting healthy and feeling phenomenal. Getting off these medications. Stop buying all these drugs every single month. Paying these doctors that you're going to lose body fat and get healthy, and they're telling you to go do weight loss drugs and giving you all these pills instead of actually saying, hey, maybe we should stop eating all of this garbage and just eat real food. And for the love of God, stop doing 1,200 calories, ladies and gents. But what I see all the time of having my own gym from 21 for the past, 10? I don't even know how many years it is. But we'll just say it's my brand new day and I'm new here because people think I've never been in the industry. Like, we got women with PCOS losing 30, 40, 50, 100 pounds in less than a year. It's because we're changing the nutrition. But the biggest thing is you're quitting before you even start. You're asking, how long is it going to take till I see results? What if I told you it's going to take an entire year? If I told you it took an entire year, but after that year, day one of year two, you have the best body you've ever had in your entire life and you're the healthiest you've ever been, would you quit? No, you wouldn't. You would do everything you needed to do. But the worst part is, you're going to gain the weight right back. Because it's simple. You get to see, holy cow, this is how it really works. You can't just go back to what made you gain weight and get fat in the first place. And a lot of people do that, and it kills me. You have to continue doing with what works. And with what works, eating real food, taking in the right amount of calories, actually nourishing your body. Everyone's trying to do this 1,200 calorie thing, doing different drugs, doing different network marketing garbage products. No product's going to make you guys lose body fat. I own Fullerton Nutrition. It's a supplement company. Not a single thing you will ever buy will ever make you lose body fat. Just like the drugs. Everyone's trying to do this Mounjaro and Ozempic stuff. Guess what? You can gain body fat and take the drug. You can take phentermine and still gain body fat. Guess what? You can work out and still gain body fat. It's not the workout that makes you lose the body fat. It's not the drug that makes you lose the body fat. At the end of the day, it comes down to the calories, where your calories are coming from. Hormone function. Hormones do play a major role into actually becoming healthy. Why do you think your menstrual cycle is so out of whack? It's not just because of all the birth control you guys have been taking for over the years. The hormones have never had a time to actually function, to let the body function the way that it should correctly. It's not difficult to lose the body fat. The difficult part is actually doing the things you need to do every single day. I learned some new freaking words somebody said. What was it? Like food head? I don't know. It had something to do with like food, mind food. I don't know. To me, no one has a gun to your head telling you what to eat. At the end of the day, it is up to you on what you want to see in the mirror. People would tell you you're fat, you're overweight, you look amazing, you're unhealthy, you're healthy. But at the end of the day, what do you actually want to see in the mirror? And when you figure that out, who cares what anybody else thinks? If you love what you see in the mirror and it doesn't upset you when someone says that you're skinny, like it's crazy. You can call someone skinny, but you call someone fat, it's the end of the world and you get canceled. At the end of the day, who cares what anyone thinks? It's what you want to see in the mirror. So with whatever you want, I will help you day in and day out. You want to lose body fat? Let's freaking do it. I give you my entire step-by-step plan for free. I do one-on-one calls. You'll have a one-on-one trainer now for free. A lot of people don't take advantage of that because people think it's a gimmick and there's no way it's too good to be true. Why would this guy do this for free? Because I can put my head on my pillow every single night knowing that I am helping people change their absolute life. Because let me tell you how much your life can change when you're not self-conscious anymore. When you have you have high self-esteem now. You have all the confidence in the world to go swimming now. Go wear those tight, skinny jeans. Wear that tight dress that you've been wanting to wear for years that's lost in the closet. That you now have all the confidence in the world. Your marriage is now better because your spouse doesn't have to constantly try and reassure you every single day that they love you and that you're beautiful. Because you now actually believe it. Because you do love what you see in the mirror. So the reason you're struggling with weight loss is because you haven't started. Just because you track your calories, you got the step-by-step plan for free, you go to the gym, doesn't mean you're going to get results. You actually got to do it. You got to actually feed your body. And the thing is, I see it all the time. People do it for a couple days. They do it for a week and they quit. I'm telling you, day by day, meal by meal, it could take 2-3 months for the body to actually start to function the way that it should. So it starts melting that fat off the body. But you quit before that even happens. Like I said, if I told you within 1 year, you hit your calories eating real food, meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, and fruit every single day for the rest of this year, for an entire year, I'll just say till January 1st. And on January 1st, you were actually healthy, you were off all these medications, and you had the best body you've ever had in the world that you ever thought you could ever have. Would you quit? No. You wouldn't. Because you know the outcome is real and it's going to happen. So actually trust the process. I get it, you've tried everything, but I promise you haven't actually taken in the right amount of calories. That's why I give you guys the calorie calculator. That calorie calculator is what I've had everybody use to take in the right amount of nutrients to feed the body instead of starving yourself every single day eating 1,200 calories and you're wanting to binge eat. The carb and sugar cravings are real. It's crazy to me how many of you guys will actually starve yourself, drown yourself in water, take all these drugs, spend thousands of dollars on injections and your workout programs. When literally it just comes down to two simple things. Your calorie goal for weight loss and eating real food. Eat. Feed your body. See what changes can happen in just 1 week. Carb and sugar cravings are gone within 3 to 5 days. You could ask that on any of my lives, any of my clients that I've ever helped. 3 to 5 days, carb and sugar cravings are gone. 5-6 day mark, you're absolutely having so much more energy and you're feeling great. Month 1, hair starts to get thicker. Skin starts to change. Hormones start to change. I've had women who haven't had menstrual cycle in years start after week 1. I get it. Most of you ladies are like, yo, I don't want a menstrual cycle. I get it. Trust me. I'm happy I got a PP, not a VV. But people quit before they even start, and people are doing it for all the wrong reasons. So if you're one of those who have said, I have done anything and everything and nothing works, you've done weight loss surgery, you've done all these different drugs, I get it. I have empathy for you. And that's why I do this. It's why I want to help as many people as possible stop struggling with weight loss. I'm not bashing everybody who did weight loss surgery or did weight loss drugs or did this or did that. I don't care what you did, but at the end of the day, taking in the right amount of calories, eating real food is how you lose body fat. So if you're happy and healthy and you love the results you got, perfect. Go with it. Run with it. No one can rain on your parade. It's your own parade, and at the end of the day, no one's invited to your parade. There's always going to be people telling you, oh, you should have done this, you should have done that, that's unhealthy, this is unhealthy. Who cares at the end of the day? But for people who come to me and say, hey, should I go and do this, and this? My friend did this. If you want, go for it, but when you don't get results, let me know, because I'll do it and make it so simple for you. But people get very upset when I say stop doing weight loss drugs. They don't work, because they don't. It's not the weight loss drug that made you lose the body fat. It's not your workout program that made you lose the body fat. It's because you actually started changing what you were eating. You started eating less, and that is how you start to lose the body fat. But tell your friends and family who are doing all these weight loss drugs, get off them for 6 months. Let's see you keep the results. Let's see you actually get healthy. It's about the forever. It's not about the right now. Right now, you got to do the things for your tomorrow. So if you're struggling with weight loss and you think you can't lose body fat, I promise you can. Just day by day, meal by meal. Go off your before and after photos and stop stressing out about that scale. And at the end of the day, you have your own why, and there's no wrong why.